Hi everyone, myself Gauri Shankar. Today I will show you in JMeter what are the elements commonly used for any web application or any test plan, that type of one. Okay, this is simple only. Who is the first time you need to using for the JMeter tool? That type of people purpose. First of all, you need to open the JMeter. Now present version is 5.4.1. Once you need to open only test plan only available. You need to add to the HTTP cookie manager, header manager, cache, user defined variable, and you need to add the thread group. Under thread group, you need to add the recording controller. What are the events you need to recording purpose, and a response session. This response session you need to verify purpose is a text, a response code, response message, and response header. What are the type of format of data you need to verify now? That places you need to verify. After view results tree and mainly view result table will be using for the unity capture in the matrix. Okay, summary report also same way only. You need to provide through browser now, through Excel sheet or CSV file will provide the all the results. Is the output file format you can use for this is the best way, low consumption to the memory. After aggregate graph, the graph report will be provided based on what type of format you required. It's a chart type and a table format. What type of format you require, based on format you need to get. And aggregate report will be provided, means the total, means how many scripts available, samplers how many requests, average, median, 90%, 95, 99, and minimum, maximum, errors, throughput is the very important our point of view. Based on hour, minute, second, you need to calculate, received and sent back. And HTTP test script recorder you need to recording purpose. Okay, first of all, test plan is the main element of the in JMeter. It's the parent element. Remaining everything is child only. Okay, you need to add anything. You need to provide example. You need to add one row, and you need to provide example. I will provide the host, and you need to give into the IP address 192.168.2.21. Okay, this IP address where you need to come. Example, remaining any recording controller, what are the transactions time you need to get. That situations, the test plan, the same over. This this IP address you need to pass to the host. Okay, you need to pass this host within the flower brackets. The value will be passed easily. You need to do. Anytime scripts you need to change into dev enrollment to QA. That time anything URL or IP address will be changed. This only one place you need to update, it's enough. Remaining everything will be automatically updated through script execution time. That is one for test plan. And not only that one, you need to select the run thread group mode, run tear down thread, and functional mode. Functional mode don't use for the as testing purpose or debugging also. Run tear down thread group. Now there are multiple thread groups that time you can use, and mostly using option also this one only. Run thread group consecutive means one thread will be executed. This one at a time multiple threads will be executed. That is the difference. Functional is a functional response purpose only you need to use. Okay, and user defined variable also same only. I am already explaining test plan how the host files you need to provide the IP address. Is one type of parameterization. How the parameterization will provide CSV dataset config file. The same way only you need to provide the user defined variables. In user defined variable also same way only you need to add the, you can provide the IP address and host and IP address and description. What is that one you need to provide, and you need to use the host will be using your script point of, that way will be work. Okay, and the cookie manager you need to select the clear cookie each item. Every iteration what are the cookies will be added is by default will be deleted that one, and you need to get the exact response time. Header means you have anything headers. Example, there is any API request. There is a API request type is, example is a content type and content type. We will provide to the application or JSON. Application or JSON. Okay, this type of formats now you need to add that. you need to add that elements. Otherwise, sometimes the request will be failed. The content type, the type of purpose you need to use to the HTTP header manager. What are the headers is available? You need to test. This concept mainly you can use for the Postman tool or SOAP UI. The type of tools you need to work on, you can understand easily. What are the example? You need to send one request in post method, send it to server. What are the elements is required? The same way only JMeter also will use HTTP header manager. Cache also same only. You need to clear the cache by default through browser request. You can clear that one based on time duration. You can get the proper response. And user defined you know already. Thread group is the virtual users. The virtual users you can use continue method only. Number of users, how much time, how many seconds you need to ramp up for every user intervention, and loop count. How many loops? Otherwise you need to select infinity. Continuously running, you need to specify the thread time and you need to provide the example. I need to run 1 hour, 3600 seconds into 1 round, 1 hour will be executed. The most of the methods will be using this way one. Okay. The recording controller, you can use for recording controller or transaction controller. Anything is both are same only. Recording controller is the group of the controller. All the requests will store to the only recording controller only. In response session, this session majorly using commonly for as JMeter any testing for web applications. Text response, you need to add anything. You need to provide some text. Example, I need to provide to the web tools. This one I need to verify. Script execution type. This is the properly capture or not. You need to provide text. You need to select the response code now. You need to provide the 200. You need to capture the successful message or not. You need to capture response message. Something you need to provide. Anything that is success or something based on your requirement. You need to provide that one. And response header. What you need to verify under execution. You need to provide that one. That purpose you need to use the response session. In view registry is a common one based on script execution, debugging, correlation, parameterization, and how the request will be executed. All things you need to show to the view registry. And summary report. This is the major report for the summary report. You need to provide through browser. You need to provide the CSV file or XML file. You need to provide so not XML, Excel file. You can store the results. Otherwise, directly will provide totally how many scripts will be executed, how many request count, average, minimum, maximum, standard deviation, error percentage, throughput received, send per second, average bytes will become. Based on what your main requirement, you need to take the sample count, how many transactions will be executed, what is the average response time, minimum, maximum. It's a major one. After you need to get throughput and errors, and received and sent bytes. You need to take this one. This is enough. View results table. The table is a totally show the execution only. Sample transaction, start time, thread name, thread 1, 2, 3. That count will be showing. Label means label normal only. Sample time, how much milliseconds will be taken in it to executing. What is the status, pass or fail, bytes, how many bytes is the count will be showing. Sent byte, how many bytes you need to send. Latency is the network. Remember, this latency is very important. You're facing any network issues or any sudden spikes, the latency issue also major one. You need to take this latency. Okay, connection time also you need to calculate. Aggregate graph. Aggregate graph also same only. What are the details I already discussed? Same only. Label, sample, average, median, 90, 95, 99, minimum, maximum, error percentage, throughput received, send bytes will be provided. But you require anything, example, now you don't have any graph. You need anything graph, na? Based on you need to test, you will the graph will be displayed. You need to take that graph directly. You can save the graph, na? You can save it, otherwise save the test data also, you need to save that one. And you need to show to the client with a clear description. Aggregate report also same only. There is no any major difference. Same only available. And this is the HTTP test script recorder for script recording. The settings will provide a global settings. You need to provide the port number. I will take in 2020. and target controller will provide the recording controller. Example, this recording controller, no? Same recording controller is selected. Put each thread group is a new transaction controller. Means every transaction separate controller level you need to put on. Okay. After go to the requesting and you click on to the add suggested excludes. This type of format of data, it's not captured exactly your application only. What are the request and response will become, that one only will be captured. Okay. These are the guys majorly you can use for as for the any performance tester. Most number of times these are the elements will be used. Not only this one, there are many is there. I will explain only for basics. Just who are the newcomers will learning to the JMeter tool. These are the some useful elements for using. And as for the interview also, we will ask many questions. Okay, please you can learn and yourself, and you can get some knowledge. Okay, thanks for everyone.